Hey guys, it's me, Sketch VR, and I'm back with another FNAF VR video. Last video, I covered the last level of the FNAF 2, and now we're going to do the last level of Vent Repairs in normal mode. So we're gonna go and try and tackle Ennard, which I've heard was one of the hardest or one of the most best horror experience in the game. That's what I've heard. So let's try and get Ennard. There's a malware right there. Say hi to our favorite bunny rabbit. Hey, hop, hop, hop like a bunny do. Let's go to price counter first. Oh, so I can only have one. I like Bonnie better. That is terrifying. You. Yeah. Hep hop. Vent repair Ennard. Yeah, those buttons make repairs. What? This looks so much smaller than...
Welcome to Circus Baby's Entertainment and Rental. It has been 0 days since last incident.
0.
Emergency ventilation repairs may be necessary to reach the boiler room on sub-basement G. We apologize for the claustrophobic accommodations of the secondary service elevator, but the comfort of the main elevator is well above your pay grade. Now, let's get to work.
I love this music.
Motion trigger, breaker room.
Four.
Well done.
Next one was 3, 2, 1, 4.
Well done.
Next one was 4, 1, 3, 2. 4, 1, 3, 2. You guys remember that?
Well done.
Hello. We're coming in. Yep. Gear puzzle. Intimidating. So what windows? Cause this looks so much smaller than I imagined it being.
Motion trigger, secondary service elevator ventilation shaft.
This is Surprisingly easy.
Well done.
That was easy. And that's the boiler puzzles. This is like a speed run. It's so like fast paced and quick. The boiler puzzles next. Alrighty. Motion trigger. Boiler room. Do 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 do.
Motion trigger. Boiler room.
Well done.
Three times.
Well done.
Let's go. Did I just beat that? Is that it? Like, that was so fast. Is Ennard in there? Bye-bye, Ennard. Bye, Ennard. Bye-bye, Ennard.
Well done. A perfect
Bye.
72 degrees. See you next time.
Bye, Ennard. Bye-bye. That was easy. I just beat it. That was very, very easy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Is this Funtime Freddy plushie? Oh, Funtime Freddy. Oh my god, Funtime Freddy. I love you, man. You're my favorite. I love you. Alrighty, Funtime Freddy. Oh, you fell over. Alrighty guys, that is the end of this video, which was surprisingly quicker than I thought it was gonna be. I guess that wasn't very hard. I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.